Hey guys, thanks for stopping to the channel. As you guys see in the last video, this is the kit bashing series, I was trying to do the video, and I think I'm gonna do an extra 2 videos for the other 2 kit bashing cars that sci-fi cars. So this is the Porsche 911. I think I got this at a yard sale. I think I paid $3 for it a couple of years back, and so I'm gonna show you guys the magic of it and what I did and show you guys how I did what I did and to get the look that I got. So I want to do something different because I want to do kit bashing, but I just didn't want to know how and what. But I do like sci-fi, and so I came up with this. I think I saw Dr. Cranky using some kit bashing at one point. I'm not sure where I got the idea, but this is the kit yogurt squeezables, I think it is, and these are the caps. So those look like this. I'm sure you guys who have little kids, you'll be like, oh yeah, I remember those caps. So here's the cap, and then there's the squeezable bag. So this is one design, so that goes there, and then that's a Lego piece that I glued on. So the back part, it's this other design, and it goes like this. So then this is part of the suspension of the car. This is headphone wire. This is one of the sprues from a Gundam. If you guys that do, actually this is from the Star Wars. You see right here it says 1/72 scale. So this is the sprue for the Star Wars, the X-Wing. The box, the old number. If you do Gundams and Bandai kits, they all number in color. So this is the sprue. So I was like, I need to do something where it sits. So that's kind of what that is. And then, like I said, this is headphone wire. This right here, if you see on the video, this light, this section right here, let me get a pointer. This section right here, it lights up. This is the battery. So this is I used to work at a warehouse for 23 years, and they deal with freezer products, and some of you guys who are truck drivers, and if you guys have a Freon trailer, this is a temperature reader. So once you load up your load and you go about your trip, this reads your temperature, and these lights right here, they light up and all that. So it looks like this, and this is how it looks. I'm sure you guys who do trips like this, or so you start and then you stop, and then this just lights up, and then it doesn't work, the battery's dead. So but once you strip all this off, you get this, and it looked pretty cool for me at that time. And you guys remember the coil for the 29? This is the piece right here, this part right here. So if you focus, there you go. So that's it right there. That's the coil that I use. So that's another insight. So yeah, this is it for this kit, and then just painted it, weathered it, do black wash, and didn't have any glass, so I got the headlights from another kit, and I think this is the original glass for the kit, but it was cracked, so that's fine. It goes with it. So tail lights, there's no tail lights. Sorry, tail lights, there's no tail lights, so I left it chrome with the chrome pen, and I used a couple of decals from Spare Box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for this sci-fi. Stay tuned. Part 3 is coming up next.